Hey there, what is up? I hope you were waiting for my new videos. So I'm coming for a long terms platform. You know that the platform name are OPVIAI. So I will show you how to create account in this website. Okay. So first of all, you need to register account in here. So without skip, watch my full video. So you can simply input your email address, put your password and enter your confirm password and enter the payment security password, and you can notice the security password are most important, so don't forget it. After you complete the all details, simply click the register button and your account ready for login. My account already ready, so I put my details and click the login option. After I log in, you can simply read the site details. You can see the site details: minimum deposit 11 USDT, minimum withdrawal 2 USDT. You can see that. Simply read the step by step and you can see the all details. Simply after you read the details, simply click the close icon. And now I'll show you how to recharge in this platform. So you can simply click the recharge option and copy this address. Go to the your wallet, select Usdt20 network and paste the address. Put the amount, how much amount you are interest for deposit. Or after you complete the details, you can simply come here and the click back icon, click the account action, and you can see the assets are already add in my fund. So simply you can click the quantify option and I will show you how to complete your tax and withdrawal list. You can see that I have a start option. Click the start quantification and you can see my start quantification is fulfilled success. So simply back your account option and click the withdraw option. Now I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. Okay, so first of all, add your withdrawal method. So simply click the add method and you need to your address. So you can go your Binance, click the add fund, choose USDT and network are TSC20. After you choose, then complete it, copy the address, come your website and paste your address and withdrawal network are TSC20. Okay, and after complete the details, you can simply put your transaction password. After you complete your transaction password, you can simply click the submit option and you can see the success. So simply click the back icon. Now I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. Simply click your withdrawal address, put your amount, how much amount your interest for withdrawal. So I put the amount and I paste the withdrawal payment password and click the submitted option. And you can see the application withdrawal successfully done. I simply close and when I receive that I will show the withdrawal proof. Okay, and now I tell you about this BIP. You can simply click the quantify option. You can see the there have a tax option. When you recharge in this platform, simply click the quantify option and you got the, you can see the there have a next level option. Click the next level. You can see the P2, how much investment you can and got daily production. You can simply click next level. You can see the minimum quantity. You can see that after you simply read the BIP section, you can simply click the team section, or you can see the team commission, team A, B, and C. A 12%, B 2%, and C 1%. You can see that. So you can see that the team commission level are too much high. So I think you don't miss refer your friend. Okay, so how to refer your friend? So you can simply and you can see there have your referral link. So simply you can copy the referral link and go to the social media, Facebook, YouTube, and Telegram, Twitter, any kind of social media. You can share this link and you can earn lots of money by the sharing, because the sharing percentage are too much high, so don't miss that. So after you refer your friend, you come back your website and you can see the account option and you can see the switch language option. You can see there are many kind of language: Arabic, Istanbul, English, Indonesian, Arabic, many kind of language in available. Also China in also have available. You can see that, and you can choose your personal language. Or I didn't force anyone to deposit her. It is your own choice, guys. Okay. So if you face any kind of problem in this website, withdrawal issue, deposit issue, you can simply contact the customer service and solve your problem. Guys, today's video is end. Okay, guys. So Don't worry, I will back again new long-term platform, and you know that platform are also good, so you can try this platform and earn lots of money by the sharing. Okay, so don't miss this website. Take care. Bye bye.